undoubtedly one of nature's most delicate but diverse ecosystems. Spanning all across the globe, reefs can be dated back to the late Cambrian period during Paleozoic era. Starting off as simple solitary organisms, corals have evolved due to varying environmental changes to what we know them to be today. These beauties, given by nature, have come under threat in recent years. Lurking in the waters are predators who drop their nets, dragging it miles across these delicate bodies, breaking them to snags, trampling everything in its way. Why don't you take a look in the mirror? You. Yes, you. We humans have been tampering with the ocean for years. We go deep beyond what the eyes can see in search of something we all need to survive. Food. Over half of the world's population consumes seafood, while millions of households depend on fishing as a source of income. Not only do we fish, but we have been fishing for so long and to such extremities that it can now be called overfishing. Overfishing can be defined in a number of ways. However, everything comes down to one simple point. Catching too much fish for the system to support leads to an overall degradation of the ecosystem. Overfishing is a non-sustainable use of the oceans. However, to be politically correct, overfishing can be defined as the practice of commercial and non-commercial fishing which depletes a fishery by catching so many adult fish that not enough remain to breed and replenish the population. Or worse, catching them before maturity, hampering their chances to breed. Overfishing exceeds the carrying capacity of a fishery. So why exactly is overfishing a problem to reefs? Overfishing affects reefs in two main aspects. Overfishing can completely extinct an entire species of a certain fish. This can cause an imbalance in the food chain of such system. With reference to the food chain shown, if a species like the reef shark is overfished and either the population decreases or goes extinct, they can lead to a buildup of blue chromis. Blue chromis can be a problem as it can lead to the consumption of all the zooplankton, which will then leave none for the coral polyps to survive. Overfishing in reefs can cause physical harm to the corals. Large trawlers dragging across ocean basins entangle the fragile corals within it is a major problem. These nets pull the corals, fracturing them. The reef upheaval of these corals can eventually lead to the possible proclamation of a reef being dead. Coral reefs being destroyed by overfishing can have severe consequences for a country's economy, especially if it's tourism-based. Coral reefs are the main attraction for many of our Caribbean countries, so imagine destroying all. Our countries are left with little or nothing to advertise. Revenue automatically declines. Severe backlashes can occur, including unemployment of boat operators. Yet, despite all of these implications and negativity looming, the reefs can still be saved. Several strategies can be used to help mitigate. Education is the key. Well, why not introduce it in this aspect? If we can educate about the implications of coral reefs and its importance in our society, we can initiate the process of saving our reefs. Yet, if this fails, why not partner with local stakeholders and government agencies to fight the cause? If stringent policies are put in place, like catch control or a season to catch certain species, then maybe there can be an effect. A little can go a long way in saving our oceans and reefs.